Welcome to Study Loop.
So the question is asking value of R4 for which no current flows through R5. So when VA equal VB, then no current flows through R5. So VA equal V source into R2 upon R1 plus R2, and VB equal V source R4 upon R3 plus R4. So these two are equal as no current flows through this. So R2 upon R1 plus R2 equal R4 upon R3 plus R4. So this becomes 250 upon 750 plus 250 equal R4 upon 420 plus R4. So this becomes 0.25 into 420 plus R4 equal R4. So 140. So 420 by 0.5 is 105 equal 0.7 R4. So R4 equal 105 upon 0.7 equal 140 ohm. So for R4 equal 140 ohm, no current flows through R5.